Good morning. Welcome to another edition of the World According to Fathead. Today I'm going to pick on the Democrats again. Surprise? Uh, this party has always said that they take care of their people. Well, it's the largest welfare party there is. They've always been the type that we're going to just pay in, pay in, pay in, give you money, and we'll take care of you. Uh, the majority of their voter base is living in poverty. They allow abortions, which is killing off their own voter base. How do they expect to succeed? You cannot just keep spending money and spending money. It's time people go to work and earn their own way. This party is not the party that came out of the post-World War II Depression era. It's gone completely crazy. They think they can just give away money and they will solve all our problems. From the World According to Fathead, we'll talk again.